It has never been easier to personalize and print a custom wedding table sign in minutes. I show you how in this quick Print-A-Party.com product preview and tutorial video. This product can be found on our website at Print-A-Party.com in our wedding section under the event planning and gift favor and table ideas. If you scroll to the second page, you will see it there, and there are two options, editable and printable. Printable is easy as you just print it out, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the template in Canva. So once you get the editable version, you will get a PDF with a link. When you click the link, it will take you to a page that looks exactly like this. This is a template created by me. In Canva, you just simply click Use Template, and you will see it load. And when you see it load, you will see the name and the date and where you will be able to edit it. I have just put in name and a date here, but you can go in and change it to whatever you want. And then you hit enter, and you can, you can type out the date, or you can just do the numbers however you want. And also you can modify the font. You do not need Canva Pro. These yellow crowns here denote Canva Pro fonts, but if you look, you will see that there are many fonts down here that you do not need Pro. They're free. And so you can change the font, you can change the size, you can literally move it around if you want. And then when you're all done editing it, all you click up here in the corner is share, and then download, and you choose how you'd like to download it. I would recommend PDF print, and that's what I use. Click download, and you'll be able to put it on your printer. Then simply open your PDF or whatever media you saved it as, hit print, and it will print out instantly. The dotted lines make it super easy to cut out and place in any 8x10 frame. I got this one at Target. And that is it, a beautiful, elegant sign for your wedding or shower in minutes. We have different options available for all types of weddings, so make sure you visit Print-A-Party.com, and thanks for watching.